The MCU, which is the heart of the application, that's for small scale application. If we want to use a PixSF 876 with all the features it has, we can do already quite useful programs into this chip. So I selected it for the main control boards for the small scale applications run out of a single CPU based on this PixSF architecture. We have the ports, digital, analog, digital serial communication, which is Ulimex compatible also. Test points for various voltages and things. This is not 5 volt everywhere, of course. This is just this production test sample. But we have a ground 7 volt, 5 volt. We have the regulator. We have I2C signals and things like that. Reset push button. We have the regulation for 5 volt because the input is 7 volt by default. And the I/O bus, which transmits the power supply we receive from somebody else. We can send this power supply to somebody else, no matter the direction, by the way. And the I2C bus transmits through this bus. So this board can talk also with other peripheral board that I will show later. And we have the two crystals, 8 meg and 32K for the crystals. So it's a little bit everything in everything this PIC offers on a setup that can be wired to build a modular PLC. That's the heart of this board design.